Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Coins Reaction Zone in episode 9 of Reborn as a Machine. I now want in the dungeon. So last episode, Boxo was tasked with defeating the Skeleton, who was then revealed by the Menagerie of Fools of a legend of a coin that whenever you defeat a Stratum Lord, you receive a coin. They currently have 3 coins and they need 6 in total because 2 of the pairs already have the same wish. So Boxo came up with a goal of you digging a pit and filling up with water to douse the fire out of the Skeleton. Once the water didn't work, he actually used carbon monoxide ice, dry ice, to douse the flames of the Skeleton so they don't re-burn because he kills the oxygen out of there. And then he went down, slammed on the Skeleton using the trapdoor and killed it, and then folded upwards after telling them about the carbon monoxide to make sure they don't go down there. Pretty interesting episode. It's kind of a weak boss fight, especially since they animated the Skeleton so well, so that was kind of disappointing. But not too bad on the grand scheme of things. Still a bit of a lackluster episode, kind of, because of that. But right now, the series for this is a 6 out of 10. It currently stands at a 6.4 on my enemy list, just at the moment. So that'll probably end up around there. But I'm still having fun with it, at least a lot more fun than Zom 100. So I'm interested to see how these next 2 episodes are going to go because I'm going to react to them back to back. So episode 9 is called A Less Than Ideal Hero, released on August 30th, 2023. So this was during me helping my brother move. So I'm interested to see how this goes. So without further ado, let's do it. Got out of the maze 2 days later, that's easy. So there is a legit stratum in this area. I thought the dungeon was completely a hidden area, but I guess there is stuff here. Okay, I was wrong about that. Labyrinth Hunters Association. 2 receptionists. Yeah, I bet they don't get a lot of people. Basically just like a pit stop whenever you go to the maze. Yeah, I was about to say, Director Bear's name is Bomi. Oh, who's this? We got a sparkly Ikemen kind of type. He looks like a hero in like a typical Isekai. Mishwell. She had divine flavor. I bet they're the same person. Wearing bandages or something. It's usually the type with these kind of pretty Ikemen characters. They're usually secretly females. Or like knights with masks on are also females. He does have a manly voice. Maybe sister? Oh, so he doesn't like attention. I feel that. Oh, nice. They're taking the voracious devils. Oh, and Hilmi. I'm glad she's still around. I love her. She's my favorite character in this. I like her more than Boxo and Lamus. Racial devils are also pretty fun too. I think the overall character arching group I like more than Zom 100 as well. I'm only comparing them because they're the 2 I'm watching right at the moment. Oh, the Russian devils are pretty adorable. He really thinks Lamus and Hilmi are beautiful, and then the voracious devils are cute. That's funny. What, is she sick or something?
人の親切は素直に受けるもんだぜ。そうか。確か1日ぐらいでこんな調子の日が今までにもあったな。気づいてあげられなくてごめん。
Oh, she has her period. They have this thing where they bleed from down there. God, that's one way to explain it. Yumi's so smart. I love her. He made a mention about Isekai and girls and how they deal with another world, which I thought was pretty funny too. Nice. That was a pretty interesting, nice middle scene of how versatile Boxo is. 4 or 5 humans? I wonder if one of them will be a princess. We still gotta make that cliche. I'm excited for that. Better be a princess. And an old man knight. Maybe an old butler. Hey, barrier. Oh, let's see how strong the Ikemen is. It's an interesting sword. It's like a demon sword. Gosh. That's where the animation went. Jesus. Half as powerful as a Stratman Lord. Nice. I wonder why the Stratman Lords aren't... Why nobody's chasing after them then. Highly skilled swordman. A bit disappointing. It's not a princess. But we do got a guy with one eye, so that's promising. So he must be some kind of like prince or something. Oh nice, the pressure washer thing. Not too bad of a fight scene. His attack on Boxo was definitely the best animated in the entire show. So hopefully they'll animate him better when he actually fights. Nice. That's it. Quick fight. Holy crap. Wow, he's strong. He has like a shadow step. That was easy to animate. Yes, he wants to be a good guy, leave him alone. Oh, Menagerie of Fools. Yeah, he'd be good with them. That's a fun group. Yeah, he's leaving people he doesn't know, and he can't talk to people. Yeah, that was a fun episode. Michelle was a fun new character. I think that was definitely interesting to see. The action scene of whenever he hit Boxo was pretty interesting to see as well. So overall, a pretty fun episode. I enjoyed that one. Boxo coming in clutch as always, changing forms whenever need be. And we got the Voracious Devils again. I'm really happy they went on a mission, especially Hilmi there as well. Two of my favorite character groups so far. It looks like only one of the Voracious Devils teamed up with them. It's been a while since I reacted to. I honestly forgot their names, but the red-haired one is the one that helped out. And I loved his attack. Literally half of a Stratum Lord, so he could just run around looking for Stratum Lords and be perfectly fine. Maybe his wish can be, I want to talk to people or something, something fun. So I wonder if we're going to get into his backstory by the time the show ends, because there's only 3 episodes left. And we're going to be working to episode 10 after this. I assume next episode he'll either join the Imaginary Fools or it will be mentioned off screen about it. Because the Imaginary Fools are constantly hanging around. So yeah, pretty fun. I think the show for me is still 6 out of 10. And this one I think was a 7 out of 10. It was just nice and lighthearted. It was fun. Nothing really changed overall. We got some semblance of a plot to end it off if they act on it. But if not, then that's fine either way. I think that was pretty interesting. I'm going to get right into episode 10. Thank you everyone for watching. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.